When you picture a helicopter in combat, massive gunships like the Apache might come to mind. But for special operations forces needing speed, stealth, and precision, the AH-6 Little Bird reigns supreme. This lightweight attack helicopter is the ultimate scout and close support platform. Small enough to slip into tight landing zones, tough enough to deliver devastating firepower, and agile enough to evade threats. Whether hunting high-value targets or providing life-saving support to troops in contact, the Little Bird embodies the light, lethal, and low philosophy of modern special warfare. Let's dive into the history, design, capabilities, and combat legacy of the AH-6 Little Bird, the helicopter that's been the silent partner to elite units for decades. The AH-6 Little Bird traces its roots to the Vietnam War, where the U.S. Army recognized the need for a light observation helicopter capable of operating in tight spaces and providing rapid reconnaissance. Hughes, now part of Boeing, answered the call with the AH-6 Caius, also known as the Loach, which first flew in 1963 and entered service in 1966. The Caius excelled in visual reconnaissance, target acquisition, and light attack roles. But its unarmed nature made it vulnerable. In the late 1970s and 1980s, the Army's 161st Special Operations Aviation Regiment, SOAR, the famed Night Stalkers, modified AH-6s into armed scout helicopters. These became the AH-6 and MH-6 variants, optimized for special operations. The Little Bird's nickname stuck due to its compact size and bird-like agility. The AH-6 is a single-engine, lightweight helicopter derived from the commercial Hughes 369 series, emphasizing speed, maneuverability, and simplicity. Key specs include crew, typically one pilot plus one gunner, or solo for scout missions. Dimensions: about 9.8 meters, 32 feet in length including rotors, rotor diameter 8.3 meters, 27 feet, height 2.7 meters, 9 feet. Maximum takeoff weight: up to 1,610 kilograms, 3,550 pounds. Engine: Allison 250C30 or T63A 5A turboshaft engine, producing 317 kilowatts, 425 shaft horsepower. Maximum speed: approximately 282 kilometers per hour, 175 miles per hour, 152 knots. Range: approximately 430 kilometers, 267 miles with standard fuel. Service ceiling: over 5,700 meters, 18,700 feet. Endurance: up to 2.5 hours standard, extendable with auxiliary tanks. Its narrow fuselage and short rotor blades allow it to fit in spaces too tight for larger helicopters, while the fully articulated rotor system provides exceptional hovering stability and low-speed handling. Don't let the Little Bird's diminutive stature fool you. It's armed to the teeth for its class. Door-mounted guns, typically twin M60 or M134 miniguns, 7.62 millimeter, providing suppressive fire rates up to 6,000 rounds per minute. Rocket pods, up to 4 LAU-68 or M261 pods carrying 19 or 38 Hydra 70 rockets, 2.75-inch, for area suppression and anti-personnel strikes. Missiles: AGM-114 Hellfire anti-tank missiles for precision strikes on armor, vehicles, or structures. The AH-6's lightweight design allows it to carry a heavy weapons load relative to its size, enabling rapid, agile attack runs. The Little Bird excels in high-risk, time-sensitive missions, where speed and precision matter most. Armed reconnaissance: scouting ahead of larger forces, identifying targets, and engaging threats. Close air support, CAS: providing immediate firepower to troops in contact. Escort and protection: shielding troop-carrying AH-6 Blackhawks during insertions/extractions. Special operations insertion: AH-6 variants, unarmed or lightly armed, for covert troop drops into hot LZs, landing zones. Night operations: equipped with NVGs, night vision goggles, FLIR, forward-looking infrared, and terrain-following radar for low-level, all-weather missions. Its ability to operate from austere sites like rooftops or clearings makes it invaluable for special forces. The Little Bird has seen action across decades of warfare. Grenada, 1983. Debut combat use by the 160 SOAR, providing critical fire support. Panama, 1989. Supported Operation Just Cause with urban reconnaissance and CAS. Somalia, 1993. Famously featured in Black Hawk Down, where Little Birds provided cover during the Battle of Mogadishu. Afghanistan and Iraq, hundreds of thousands of flight hours in counterinsurgency, convoy protection, and raids against high-value targets. Global operations, used by U.S. Special Forces and allies in counter-terrorism worldwide. These missions highlight the Little Bird's unmatched survivability and performance under fire. Continuous improvements keep the Little Bird relevant. AH-6J/MH-6M. Latest Army Special Operations variants with digital cockpits, improved engines, up to 650 shp, composite rotor blades, and advanced sensors. Glass cockpit, multifunction displays, helmet-mounted cues, and data links for networked warfare. Enhanced avionics, synthetic vision, auto hover, and integration with drones, UAVs. Export versions, operated by Colombia, Israel, and others under designations like AH-6. Hughes, now Boeing, continues development, ensuring the platform adapts to 21st century threats. The AH-6's success stems from compact agility, fits where bigger helicopters can't. High power-to-weight ratio, nimble handling in tight spaces. Simple maintenance, high readiness rates in austere environments. Proven lethality, packs serious firepower in a small package. Special Ops synergy, perfect partner for elite units like Delta Force and SEALs. The AH-6 Little Bird may be small, but its impact on special operations aviation is enormous. From daring raids to life-saving CAS, it has proven that size isn't everything. Agility, firepower, and reliability are. As special forces evolve, the Little Bird remains the go-to scout and striker. A testament to smart design and battlefield evolution. Whether slipping through urban canyons or hovering over hostile terrain, the Little Bird continues to deliver for the warriors who rely on it most. For more military technology insights, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, this is Truman, signing off. Stay informed and stay safe.